Hey kiddos, in third grade for math, multiplication and division, you want to be fluent in your facts between 1 and 10. Fluent means you understand the answers, the products, you know the inverse, you know the division answers. So you want to practice these. Now, I know down pat you guys have your 2s, 5s, and 10s. I know you're not worried about those because you've been skip counting by 2s, 5s, and 10s for a long time. I think you pretty much have your 3s down. Remember 4s, the trick is double the double. So if you have to do, say, 4 times 7, the trick I want you to know is double 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. That's 7 times 2, right? But double the double. So now you're going to do 14 plus 14, and you get 28 because 4 times 7 is 28. So if you know that trick for 4s, double the double. Then for 8s, it's double the double the double. So 8 times 7 would be double 14, you get 28, double 28, and you're going to get 56. So that's the tricks for the 4s and the 8s. Double the double, double the double, the double. And then we're going to go through a couple more tricks with your 7s, 8s, and 9s. Those are the hardest ones to memorize. So if you can learn this trick for 7s, 8s, and 9s, before you do a test, a quiz, when you have your blank scratch paper, you write out your trick, and then that's your scratch paper and you're ready. You don't pull it out already made, you have to create it with blank scratch paper every time you take a new quiz or test. But I'm gonna show you guys those in 1 second. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you your 7s trick. So what you do for 7s is you're gonna make a tic-tac-toe board. Alrighty, and then you're gonna start all the way to the right and you're gonna number it. Make sure you're to the right of the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are going to be your ones place value for your answers. Now you're going to distribute numbers. You're going to distribute a 0, 1, and 2. Now you're going to do another 2, 3, 4. And now you're going to do another 4, 5, 6. So these are your products when you multiply by 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, 7 times 5, 7 times 6, 7 times 7, 7 times 8, 7 times 9, and then we can just put the 70 down there because we know 7 times 10 is 70. If you know your multiplication facts, you also know your division facts because they're the inverse. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. 63 divided by 7 is 9. So you work backwards for division. You want to know that multiplication and division are inverses. If you know it one way, you know it the other way. So apply what you know. All right, I'm gonna show you the next one in a second. All right, here is your trick for the 8s. You're gonna start with 8 and you're gonna count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4. You're gonna double the 4 because you double 4 to get to 8. 3, 2, 1, 0. Then when you multiply by an even number, the answer has to be an even number. So now we're gonna only use the even endings to get the answers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then start again. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here are your products when you multiply by 8. 8 times 10, 8 times 9, 8 times 8, 8 times 7, 8 times 6, 8 times 5, 8 times 4, 8 times 3, 8 times 2, 8 times 1. Here you go. If you know it the first way, then you know it the inverse. You know the opposite. So if you have a division problem, you have to divide one of these numbers by 8, write them out, and then you know your facts. You can work backwards. Hopefully this is helpful, and now I'm going to show you the 9s. All right, 9s are easy. You're just going to start, you can start at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just go in order, and then start again at the 9 and go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are your answers when you multiply by 9. 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 7, 9 times 8, 9 times 9, 9 times 10. 9, there's a lot of tricks. You can use your 9s calculator, which is your hands. So you have to have your hands, you have to look at them this way, right? So if you want to say 9 times 6, you're going to put down your 6th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are your 10s, these are your 1s. So we have 54. You can use your fingers for that. That works for 9s only. And if you notice, everything, if you add the 2 digits together, they equal 9. 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 8, 5 plus 4. Another trick we learned too, if you want to memorize your 9s, so right here, this is 9 times 4. Notice if you're multiplying by 4, your answer is, your tens column is 1 less than 4. So this one here was 9 times 6. So 1 less than 6 is 5, so 54. If that's helpful to you, practice it this way. Your job today is to make flashcards or find a way to practice any of the ones you don't know. If you need help with sixes, practice your sixes. Find a YouTube video to do it. I do have on IXL, you can practice skill building for multiplication and division. Multiplication skill building is IXL, so you're in the math section, 3rd grade. F 1 through 13 will help you practice your multiplication skill building. Division skill building is J 1 through 12. And those are ways to practice and get those memorized. By the time you get to 4th grade, if you have all these memorized, it's going to be a lot easier for you. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.